Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and today I want to share with you some mini crafting ideas using these beautiful cylinders and napkin rings. I made a chimney for Santa out of this, and look at how it came out. Look at that. There's a napkin ring right there, which gives the chimney a better look. Santa fits right in, and I used a black marker to make vertical and horizontal lines on the cylinder, and then I filled in the squares with a red Sharpie marker. At the bottom, that's a big bracelet. I don't use big bracelets because I have a small wrist, but I got that at a flea market and it just works for this chimney. Look at that. Right now I'm working on a duplex for December that I'm going to reveal, and Santa's duplex can sure use this chimney. So here are a whole bunch of napkin rings. Look at how beautiful. I have wooden ones and these gold ones. They're kind of brass looking. And I buy them at thrift shops, flea markets, yard sales, wherever I find them. And some of these cylinders are from the aluminum foil box. I recommend you use these because they're sturdier than the ones that come in the Bounty Roll. The Bounty Roll, those are pretty flimsy. But these, they stand up on their own, or you can place them in these, napkin rings for support. So this one here has a little bit of wrapping paper just to show you what it would look like if it's wrapped. You can wrap it up all the way to the top. And if you have some candy cane looking paper, that would be a nice paper too, for your projects. This one has a candle here. I can take maybe gold paper, like a paper like that, and dress this cylinder up if I want a higher, a taller candle. Then back there, you see that white top? That's the cover of a cooler, a beach cooler, small one. So I placed it on top of two cylinders, and I said to myself, wow, you know what? That can make a great stand, a great dollhouse door, or even a front entrance to a dollhouse. You can add an entrance to a dollhouse using two of those with the cover. And you can dress up these cylinders in whatever you want, any type of paper, anything you want. So here are the napkin rings. You can even make small tables out of them. Nightstands for the dollhouse beds in the rooms. So there's a lot that you can make with this. Craft your cardboard cylinders. You can make columns for dollhouses, chimneys, Christmas decor, entrance to a dollhouse, and probably a lot more. But I just wanted to share these mini ideas with you, and right now my favorite is this one, the chimney. Alright, I think that this is it. I hope that you'll use these ideas and that you'll be happy with them. And thank you for watching.